Tia. And we just came out of the Joseph play at Sights and Sounds Millennium Theater, and it was pretty awesome.
So awesome that we teared up.
Yeah, we almost cried, but almost.
My dad did.
That's her dad. So, like, we're on a tour bus. This is Faith for Living Church, and yeah. It was fun.
Oh my goodness, and a camel walked by me and it stunk so bad.
Yeah, like, it's like a legit sleigh. They have, like, real animals, like camels, goats,
Like a
ox. Yeah, donkeys. It was so tight.
And it had like a hairless cat, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Remember?
King Tut.
Like this.
If you guys want to see, like, a religious play, you should still go to Sights and Sounds in Pennsylvania. Yep, we're making a video. And like on the way here we were making bracelets and Tia taught me. So if you want to help Africa, then you could order one.
It was Haiti.
That too.
But we're on the way home now, but I think we're gonna stop by later for some food. Look, it got dark all of a sudden.
I know.
I'm glad we started it. But yeah.
Oh, there's actually lights on. It's not even like Christmas time yet.
Okay. Well, I'll show you around Pennsylvania for a bit. We're on Hartman Bridge Road.
Oh my goodness, one time I went to the first factory with like potatoes, and we got like a tray of like fresh potato chips. Oh my goodness, they were so good.
Wala pa yung perkap, kaya lang pagkita tayo yung bottle water.
And there's this thing,
Thank you.
there's this thing called ketchup potato chips.
Ew.
I know, they were actually pretty good though.
Ketchup potato chips. That's weird.
I know.
Ketchup potato chips.
Almost swallowed that.
It's so pretty outside.
This morning, Sister Emily, when she was at our house, she ate breakfast. She said that instead of chewing, she was swallowing it. She had that bite in her mouth, she
She just swallows it and she doesn't chew it.
These are like my favorite Doritos.
Yeah, boy. I just ate a hot dog and some dry pretzels and a cherry apple smoothie. No.
Where is it?
I gave it to my mom.
Oh, I was gonna say, where did it go?
Today was officially like the first day of fall. The weather was.
It was?
Yeah, no, the weather just seemed like it was. It wasn't hot. It was like windy and well, it was sunny. It was like not sunny, but it was like okay.
Like at noon it was cold.
Yeah, it was really windy. So I bought a sweater and didn't even end up using it.
Except for later.
Yep.
In the years.
I wish this camera could focus. Okay, so that's it for our vlog. So peace out, Girl Scouts.